Hey guys, my name is Vincent Edwards. I'm co-founder and CEO of Narro Ventures, and today we will be going to the due diligence report. So, with many investment, you generally have to provide a due diligence report to facilitate the 100+ page document that's necessary. The traditional way that this is done is done by an institution or a firm where it usually takes up to 2 months and sometimes up to 10/11 investors or investment members to complete. The NAR platform consolidates everything that it knows about you and uses its different tools to um, identify what additional information is out there to bring this together to create a comprehensive 100+ page due diligence report. So, first of all, you need to add a payment method, and I'll add that here if one's not already added to your account. So now that my payment method has been added, I'm able to proceed with generating the report, and I have started here. And this is just a consolidation period where it consolidates everything necessary and prepares the due diligence report engine for you to generate the different sections for your report. And we have our UI. So this is an editable UI where specific sections are generated. Your logo is pulled in, your company name, credited use, any address that you added, and then prepared by the date. And then you have the different sections for the report. You have the printable option, you have the ability to hide different sections, and then you have edit mode here. So once you click edit mode, you could edit an image by selecting it, adjust the location, large, medium, small, etc. And then we could manually adjust the height here. You could lock aspect ratio and add a new image here. You could even generate a new image using our image generation tool and different information about the image itself. You could then also modify the text of the image. So for example, I would add a full stop here. Once that's done, it triggers autosave, and autosave saves it, and you should see autosaving here. And then you have different versions. So once saved, you have version 1.2, and you see this is the current version. Then prior versions would be added afterwards. But all the saves are done. You could also navigate back to your prior versions once, or the initial version once you make more versions. So let's trigger a section. So you have the cover page, your disclaimer, your table of contents, your management statement, the due diligence team, which is a collaboration between the Career to Farm Diligence team and the Narro Ventures due diligence team. And you have your executive summary. So you have a few sections and you generate them in sequence. So you're able to review a section before moving on to the next one. And once you click generate, it begins the generation process. It takes in all the information that it knows about your company, all the information that our agents are able to gather on its own using our scouts, and then different third-party sources that provide private company information for this process. So check back in once we have generated our executive summary section. So our executive summary section has been generated, and as you see here, it has a section here. It has the investment highlights, a risk, mitigation strategies, everything available from your due term, information like these. So information that was not found, it adds it here, and then any additional information that's necessary. So this section is generated, and you have the different tabs that's there. We could jump to, and then when you're ready, if everything is okay here, you can generate the next section. But say you want to make a change, you click edit mode, and maybe I want to remove the full stop here, remove the full stop. As soon as I click outside the box, then I'm able to autosave. And that triggers a saving to show that I'm finished editing. And now that we're finished editing, we will exit edit mode, and then we could print our report. So click here. We could select what type of page size, orientation, grayscale, include images, and then we can click print report. Then what this does is it renders a version of the report like this, and you can navigate. And you could adjust the sizes, edit where you want the different options. You could hide headers, show headers. And this is only 19 pages so far, but you're able to generate, once all sections are completed, all 100 plus pages. So this is the due diligence report, and Narro takes a 2-month and up to 11-member team process and turns it into roughly an hour.